Wagepoint. Now, most of the time our clients will use the pay taxes automatically feature where it comes out every payroll, but some clients don't. When they don't, you need to have another way to do it. So here's what we do. This is progressive. So starting from the main view here, we're going to go to reports. And then under more, you're going to see a remittance report. Click on that. Make sure the year is correct and then run the report. Now this is going to give us everything for the year. So you can see every single payroll for the year, what the remittance should have been. So we've got the current source deductions, we've got the year to date, and we've got the gross taxable earnings. So you're going to use this and you're going to use a spreadsheet and you're going to track the amount that it should be. It's unfortunate, but this is the only way that we can do it. So we're going to do October. Well, October's here. I've already done it. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So for October, for example, I would fill in 5 employees. This is the first line. So this line here. So you're just going to fill in the blanks. 5 employees. This is the deduction amount. This is the gross earning amount. The total of the deductions here, this is the amount that's due. So it's pretty straightforward. Once you have this, you're going to put a bill in your QuickBooks Online so that it'll match with the bank feed. So you're going to put a bill in for Receiver General showing how much they owe, and you're going to clear that out of your payroll tax liability. So I think the hardest part of this is just finding the report. So it's reports, Receiver General. Nope, sorry, reports, remittance report. Receiver General is just, I don't even know what that is. So reports, remittance report, and then you're just going to run the report and you're going to fill in the amounts over here in your Excel sheet that you're going to create and save in the folder. And again, this is only for clients who don't have their taxes automatically paid by Wagepoint, which is not many of them, but they do exist. Okay, thanks.